Hello, welcome to this lesson, beautiful people. Now, I want to show you one of Windows 11 amazing tool. That is the snipping tool with the ability to copy text from image. Now, I am on this website. I needed this word for some things, so I wanted to copy, but you can see that this is an image and I am not able to copy. But with the snipping tool, it has that ability to copy text from image. Now to actually access it, it comes with Windows 11 by default. So you simply have to search. Let's say you can see we have it as the snipping tool. Click on it, and then we have the shortcuts. You can just press this to start the snipping tool. That is the Shift plus A. If you want to take a screenshot, of course, you can just click on it, and then it comes this way. And then make sure that you have this selected that says snipped. And then if you come here, you see all of other full screen window and all of that. But in most cases, we use the rectangle. And then you only have to put your cursor and drag as much as you want within that text. Let's say this is where I want to stop. I want to copy this text and I have it. And then we have hit like this way. You can see that the screenshot has been taken. Now the only thing that I have to do right now is that I will simply over this icon that says text action. That's it. That's the action. Say text action, and then I'll click on it, and then you have it. So with what you've seen, and then you see copy all text, and they say copy as table. So I only have to copy all text, and then we have it. So the text has been copied. So what the snipping tool has done is that it has actually run what we call the OCR. That's the optical character recognition on that image, and it has actually highlighted and copied everything that it considered as text. So one of those things, ways to confirm is you can open your notepad and just paste the text, and you can see it. I may want to paste again, paste the text, and then you have all of the text that has been copied to our clipboard by the snipping tool. And you can see, that Notepad does not support image. And you can see now that I can actually copy those texts and use it for whatever I want to use it for. It's an amazing tool. Try it today. Thank you so much for staying with me.